Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the Basement Production. In this video, we are going to show you how we assemble a bathroom vanity from IKEA. Stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. I'm removing this old one. Been there for many years. It's time for a change. And I'm installing a new one from IKEA. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production, guys. The first thing that you gotta do is you have to remove every single thing from in here. Every single thing from in here. Once everything is clean and done, the second thing that you need to do is make sure you turn off the water all the way. Turn off the water, so you can see. Also, one other thing you could do is put something in the bottom over here. So when you take the P-trap, any water drop over here, it will not come over here. I don't know if you could see, guys, it's still water dripping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go downstairs and turn up the whole thing, the main line. So like that, I don't have no issues. I don't mind going back and forth, and I just want to make sure this stuff gets done right. So stay tuned for more on Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production. Well, I'm putting this piece of wood in the back, so I could hold the vanity or the countertop or the counter, so I could hold it against that. And I put this here, make sure I'm level. Perfect. See? Make sure you don't hit a pipe, because that will be the worst of the worst. Because it was already, those holes already pre-made, so I didn't have to worry about that. So just be careful when you're drilling or screwing something in there. You see what I'm talking about. That's nice. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Here. Perfectly level, guys. This corner right here had to be flush with the wall. Had to be flush. If I put a piece of wood in the back over here, I'm gonna show you. See what I mean? If I put this piece of wood to attach this with that, it's not gonna be flush. So I came up with a solution. I turn this around. Instead of having it this facing the wall, I'm having it this clamp facing the inside. So take a look at it. Watch this. I'm gonna attach this piece of wood to the wall, and this clamp gonna go, the screw gonna go through here to this wood. I'm gonna get a 2x2, put it right here, and problem solved. Guys, as you can see, this is what happened with the IKEA drawers for the bathroom vanity. I tried to cut it because the pipe was in the way. Unfortunately, it did not work. A brand new vanity set with countertop gonna have to be returned. So instead, the other option that we went with was this one. This was what we got instead. We went going to Home Depot, getting this vanity set for almost $300. I mean, it's just a quick fix. We didn't have to make any adjustment to it. We purchased the faucet separate, as you can see. Install it, and ready to go. There you have it, guys. Omarete Vilato, the Basement Production.